I have a confession to make. I did like the drugs.
Woo!
I fucking love the drugs. But the drugs really fucking love me. Calling me, stalking me, writing me love letters. Oh, the drugs love me.
Woo!
One day I decided, hey drugs, let's go for a romantic ride out to the desert. So we drove, and we drove, and we drove, and we drove, until I found a beautiful spot. I got out, I dug a giant hole in the shape of a heart. Drugs looked at me with the beautiful eyes, said, I'm gonna love you until the day I die.
Woo!
I said, okay, I can fix that. So I shoved him in, I fucking buried him, and I came home alive! My name is Marilyn Manson, and I'm a drug addict.